Want to start coding in Python but not sure how to set it all up? In this video, I'll show you how to install Python and VS Code, and I'll explain two super important tools you will use in every project, pip and virtual environment. Let's get onto it. First, let's install Python. Head over to python.org and click on the download link here and choose your operating system. In my case, it's Windows Installer. So I have it already downloaded here. Now open it to start the installation. On Windows, make sure to check the box that says Add Python to your path. This make it work in your terminal. So it's all done. Let's open a terminal and write Python dash dash version. Okay, so it says it's successfully installed and the version here. For Mac, it's Python 3 dash dash version. Now download the Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com. Here is the link to download for your operating system. I have it downloaded already to save some time. So let's click on it to start the installation, accept the agreement, and just follow the installation, keep it default, and install. Install. Now open it and go to the extension, then install Python and Pylons. To open extension, we use Ctrl+Shift+X and type in Python. So we have it here. So in my case, it's already installed. If it's not, just click on the link here to install it. And here's the Pylons. It's installed too. So once you install both of it, you will have both of this extension available. Now let's go to the project folder. Now let's set up our project. In VS Code, open the terminal. Here you can see in the menu, open the new terminal. And first we will create virtual environment with these two commands. You'll see that this folder is created right here, and we'll use another one so we can start using this environment. Notice this little .vnv in front of your terminal prompt. That means the environment is active. So our virtual environment is like a mini Python world just for this project. It keeps the package you install isolated so they don't mess up other projects. One more step we need to tell VS Code, use this environment when running Python file. For that, go to command palette using Ctrl+Shift+P and choose Python interpreter here. Okay, you can now see two settings, global and the recommended. So we'll choose this environment which we just set it up here. So this way, when you hit run from the VS Code, it will use the same environment as your terminal. Now let's talk about pip. Pip is Python Package Manager. Think of it like the app store for Python. You use it to install extra tools like Playwright for task automation or Panda for data analysis. For example, we try request library. Let's install it using pip install request. So any library you like to install, you just name it after install. And let's hit enter. Let's check out how many libraries we have. So we use pip list. So you can see request, we just install it here. Okay, so because we are inside the virtual environment, the request library is installed only for this project. Let's check if it works. Let's create a Python file and import the library we installed before. And use our basic print command, hello world. Here I have imported the request library and then printed hello world. Now you might be wondering, printing text doesn't need any import at all. That's true. You can run print hello world without importing anything. The reason I include the import here is just to show you how to bring an external package into your program. In real projects, you'd import a package like request when you actually need it. For example, to fetch data from the web. For now, this is just a demonstration of the process. Let's save the file and run it using Python and a file name which is hello.py. It worked. It printed the hello world in the terminal. So that means your Python setup, your VS Code, pip, and virtual environment are all working correctly. And that's it. You have installed Python, set up VS Code, learn what pip does, and why virtual environments are important. In the next video, we'll use pip to install Playwright and write our very first automated test.